Greetings people, welcome to another episode. And this episode I want to share with you about some insights that I had recently and I felt so valuable to share with. So some time ago, some years ago, I read The Biology of Belief of Dr. Bruce Lipton. And what he said in this book was that our organism, which is a multi-cell organism, consists of like 50 to 100 million, actually trillion cells. And for me that information was astonishing, because when I was reading that, it was actually I started to visualize my organism as a multi-cell organism, that every cell is connected, every cell is providing, every cell is actually connected to each other, and they do a job, every cell does a specific job that it has. So the insight was like, in the first place I realized that doing the everyday theta healing meditation that I do, the visualization that we learned, and we pass through a pink mist, a layer of pink mist, and that's compassion. I started to feel that and realize and understand and feel in my body that compassion is when every cell with each other is like in peace, at peace. So that means that there is no conflict, or probably there is understanding. So that was an experience that I had, that inside of me, in every cell in my body, in every organ, every limb, every organ, I felt that I'm connected more and more with peace. I'm at peace. So for me it was a huge experience, and in the first place I want to share with you that. And the second insight that I want to share with you today is that I want you to imagine, if we are 50 to 100 trillion cells, every human being, imagine all these teachings and all this blah 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 that they are talking about, that we are also small particles of the universe. Imagine on planet Earth, we are so many billion people, and even Earth supposedly is consists of so many atoms. I don't know. So I want you to imagine that all these kind of teachings that they are saying, that we are one, and etc. etc. Can you visualize yourself as a single cell of a bigger multi-dimensional multi-cell organism? Because if you do, you can understand that and you can feel into if you are a healthy cell in this society, in this organism. So as they say, as the spiritual teachings say, as above so below. So what I realized today is that if we are not healthy as human beings, in example, autoimmune disorders and diseases are on the rise, right? We can hear this word more than ever. What's really happening inside our bodies, if we have autoimmune immune diseases, is like some cells are attacking each other, So can you consider, and can you understand, can you perceive this thought that I'm explaining to you today here, that if you have inner conflicts that echoes to the universe, and the opposite also, if we have conflicts and wars on planet Earth as a multi-organism, a multi-big, multi-cell organism that consists of so many people, that also echoes in our own cells, we're becoming unhealthy cells. So that's the food for thought of today. And that's a way that we can really start to make peace inside us, when we realize these things, that everything is connected, our multi-cells, so many cells in our bodies are connected. They are exchanging energy, they are exchanging information, they are exchanging nutrients, and we also do that on a bigger level. We do that also with other human beings. Not only human beings, with animals, with nature, etc. So there are two ways to understand if we are healthy. The first occasion is to observe our bodies, how if we are healthy or not. We can go to the doctor and get checked up, or we can see, am I happy, am I healthy, am I relaxed, am I peaceful, do I have anger or rage towards people, or am I in a constant rage or grief or any kind of these things. Because if you visualize yourself as a cell in the society, then you can see if your needs are met, if you are functioning in a healthy way, let us say, and if really you can operate in the highest and best way, be of service and to cover your needs. And the last insight that I want to share with you is that we really need to be in service of others. This is high consciousness information, because if we are not giving our talents, our amazing beliefs, if they are not the highest and best, our energy, what we have to give to the other cells, to the other people, then we are not part of a healthy organism. And as we awaken as human beings, as cells, as souls, whatever, we have the choice actually to do that consciously, to connect with the divine, to connect with our soul, and provide from the heart and be of service. And that's how abundance is created and experienced. Actually, not created, abundance exists of everything. Abundance is experienced from us. So this is a way to abundance and prosperity, and actually health, because guess what, you are in a health podcast here, a health vlog. So I'm providing this information so you can thrive on any level, and that starts actually from health. So I invite you today, if you want to consider and do these questions to you. Am I a healthy cell of this society, of this world, of this planet? Do I have things to provide that I'm not doing that? Am I hurt from any kind of past experience and I don't trust that my needs will be covered? Am I open to receive all the blessings from the other cells, from other people? And am I truly connected to my heart to provide with love, with expecting nothing in return? Literally, what I have, what comes naturally for me to give. So these are the questions of the day, of today, and yeah, see you in the next episode. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe, share it with your loved ones. That helps all the mission to be accomplished, let us say. And yeah, that's my natural state of being, to offer this. So yeah, do your stuff, and you will see how you will thrive when we stop comparing with other people, and when we genuinely connect with our soul, with our hearts, and start to provide what we are here to do, our talents, our amazingness, our uniqueness. So that's for now. See you in the next video. Bye.